Okay, let's have another example. We have example number 8. So, find the equation of the parabola with the vertex at 0 and 4 and directrix at y is equal to 2. Okay? So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin dito is find na natin yung equation. Okay? So, papaano? Since meron na tayong given points, i-plot muna natin yung dito sa ating graph. Okay? So, first we have the vertex. So, ang ating vertex daw ay nasa 0, 4. So, nandito po. And then, our directrix is at the y is equal to 2. So, andito yung ating directrix. Okay? So, dito pa lang sa ating graph na to, makikita na natin kung ang ating parabola is open upwards or downwards. Since ito yung vertex natin, so yung focus natin is nasa loob ng parabola. And then si parabola din, hindi pwedeng mag-meet si parabola at ating directrix. So, it means ang ating parabola for this equation or for this problem is upward. So, ang gagamitin natin for the upward na equation is x minus h squared is equal to 4p y minus k. So, yan yung ating gagamitin na formula. Now, wala pa tayo ng value ng p. So, paano natin gagawin or paano natin nahanapin si p? Okay? So, si p, ang way po ng pagkuha ng p from our vertex papunta sa ating directrix, ika-count lang natin siya kung gaano kalayo yung kanilang distance. Okay? So, for this one, so ang ating vertex ay nasa 4 daw. So, count natin yung unit natin papuntang directrix. So, we have 1, 2. So, our units is 2. Positive siya. Bakit? Kasi ang ating parabola is going upward. Hindi siya downward. Saka lang magiging negative ang ating p kung ang ating parabola is opening downward and also opening left. Saka lang siya magiging negative. So, ang ating p ay positive 2. Now, since we have already the points, so ita-transfer lang natin, isa-substitute lang po natin itong mga to dito sa ating formula. Okay? So, we have x minus, yung h natin is 0 squared is equal to 4. Tapos yung p natin is positive 2. Then y minus, yung k natin is positive 4. Okay. Then simplify na natin siya. So, x minus 0 squared. So, 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So, yung 8, distribute natin siya dun sa loob. So, 8 times y is equal to positive y, 8y. 8 times negative 4 is equal to negative 32. Now, simplify na rin natin yung nasa left side ng ating equal. So, x squared is equal to 8y minus 32. So, ito na yung ating equation. Nasundan? Okay, so ito na yung ating equation. Then, paano kung gusto ko naman or gusto natin kunin yung ating general equation? So, ang gagawin lang natin, lahat po ng numbers na nandito sa right side, ililipat lang natin siya sa left side. So, x squared from positive 8y magiging negative 8y. From negative 32 magiging positive 32 is equal to 0. Ito na po yung general equation natin. Nasundan? Okay, let's have another example. We have example number 9. So, find the equation of the parabola with a focus at 711 and directrix at y is equal to 4. Okay. So, meron tayong given points. Plot muna natin. So, ang ating focus daw ay nasa tapat ng 7 at saka ng 11. So, nandito siya. Okay. Tama ba? Yeah. So, 7, 11. Ito yung focus natin. Next, where is our directrix? So, our directrix daw ay nasa y is equal to 4. So, ang ating directrix daw ay nandito. Okay? So, para makuha natin ang ating equation, dapat malaman muna natin yung ating vertex. So, since hindi given si vertex, hahanapin muna natin si vertex. Paano nga ba hanapin si vertex? Okay? Tandaan, ang distance po ni vertex going to focus ay equal po sa distance ni vertex papuntang directrix. So, ibig sabihin, pag focus going to our directrix is times 2 lang po natin yung distance nun from focus to vertex. So, ang una natin gagawin ngayon, let's count the distance from the focus going to our directrix, and then we're going to divide it by 2. Okay? So, this is our focus. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, our P or our distance is 7 units. Okay? So, i-divide natin yung 7 units na yan by 2. So, 7 divided by 2, our P now is 3.5. Kita ba? So, hindi siya nakikita. So, our P now, dito ako isulat, is equal to 3.5. Okay? Now, nakuha na natin yung P. Then, punta tayo ngayon sa focus. Kunin na natin si vertex. So, from our focus, bababa tayo ng 3. So, 1, 2, 3, at kalahati. Okay? Ito na yung ating vertex. Okay? So, ang ordered pair po ng ating vertex ay positive 7, and then 7 and 7.5. Okay? Ito na yung vertex natin ngayon. So, sulat na natin. So, our vertex is 7 and 7.5. And our P is 3.5. Okay, now, makikita natin dyan na ang ating parabola ay going upward ulit. Okay? Kasi hindi pwedeng, kasi ang ating focus dapat ay nasa loob ng parabola. Hindi siya nasa labas. Okay? So, for this one, ang gagamitin nating formula is x minus h squared is equal to 4p yk. So, substitute na natin yung mga values natin para makuha natin yung ating equation. So we have x minus, yung h natin is 7 squared. Then, 4, which is yung p natin, 3.5. Plus y minus, yung k natin is 7.5. Now, simplify na natin lahat. Sige, unahin muna natin tong nasa left side. So, kung i-complete natin muna yung, gagawin natin siyang trinomial. So, x times x is x squared. Negative 7x times 2 is equal to negative 14x. Negative 7 times negative 7 is positive 49. So, natapos na natin yon. Dito naman tayo sa my right side. Okay? So, 4 times 3.5 is equal to 14. Okay? So, si 14, distribute natin dun sa loob. So, 14 times y is equal to 14y. So, 14 times negative 7.5 is equal to negative 105. Sundan? Okay, yan ang equation natin. Now, kunin natin yung kanyang general o yung ating general equation. Kunin natin. So, lahat ng number na nandito sa right side, lilipat lang natin siya sa left side. Kasi dapat maging 0 yung nasa right side ng equal. So, rewrite lang natin, x squared minus 14x. From positive 14y, pag nilipat natin, magiging negative 14y. So, plus 49. Then, yung negative 105, pag nilipat natin sa kabila, magiging positive 105 siya, equal to 0. Then, simplify natin itong dalawa ating constant number. So, 49 plus 105 is equal to 154. So, rewrite na natin yung ating equation. So, x squared minus 14x minus 14y plus 154 is equal to 0. So, ito na ngayon yung ating general equation. Nasundan? Okay, so let's have another example. So, we have example number 10. So, find the equation of the parabola with focus at 2 and 4 and the directrix at x is equal to 10. Okay? So, first, we need to plot the given points, which is ang ating focus. So, ang focus po natin is 2 and positive 4. So, dito siya. And then, ang ating directrix daw ay nasa x is equal to 10. So, nandito ang ating directrix. Okay? So, katulad kanina sa example number 9, label muna natin. This is the focus. Hahanapin natin si vertex para makuha natin yung equation natin. Okay? So, paano? So, yung distance po ni focus going to our directrix ay kalahati po nung ating distance from focus going to our vertex. So, i-divide po natin yung distance ni focus going to directrix by 2. So, let's count muna kung gaano kalayo si focus kay ating directrix. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, ang distance po niya ay 8 units. Okay? So, 8 units po. So, yung 8 units na yon, i-divide natin siya by 2. Then, ang ating pinaw, so ating distance na ay 4. Okay? So, based dito sa ating graph, okay, ang ating parabola ay opening left side. Bakit? Again, ang ating parabola po or ang ating focus ay dapat nasa loob ng parabola. At ang ating directrix po ay hindi dapat mag-meet sa any curve ni parabola. Next, since it's opening left side, ang ating P ay negative. Okay, so tandaan na ang ating parabola pag open left side at saka downward, ang P is negative. Pag ang ating parabola opens upward and right side, ang P natin ay positive. So, rewrite na natin siya. So, negative 4 yun. Okay? So, ang P natin ay negative 4. Now, kunin na natin yung ating vertex by counting yung distance from the focus going to our vertex. Okay? So, magka-count tayo ng 4. Depende sa'yo kung from focus ka or from the directrix ka. Pag gagaling ka sa directrix, papakaliwa ka ng 4 na unit. From focus naman, papakanan ka ng 4 na unit. So, ako ang gagamitin ko is the focus. So, magka-count tayo ng 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Andito po yung ating vertex na. So, ang ating vertex, ang kanyang ordered pair or coordinates ay positive 6 at saka 4. Okay, so rewrite natin siya. Our vertex now is 6 and 4. Okay, since kompleto na tayo ng points or ng coordinates or ng values, pwede na nating makuha ngayon yung ating equation. Since it's pa left side, ang gagamitin nating formula ay y minus k squared is equal to 4p times x minus h. Okay? So, substitute na natin dito yung ating value. Okay? So, ang ating k, so y is equal to k is 4. Then, yung p natin is negative 4. Then, x minus h is 6. Ang h natin. So, is-simplify na natin. So, dito muna tayo sa left side. Gawin natin siyang perfect square trinomial. So, y times y is equal to y squared. Negative 4y times y, negative 4 times y is equal to negative 4y times 2. So, it's negative 8y. Negative 4 times negative 4 is equal to positive 16. Now, simplify na rin natin to. Positive 4 times negative 4 is equal to negative 8. Okay, so distribute. Negative 8, sorry. It's negative 16. Sorry. Okay. So, negative 16, distribute natin dito. Negative 16 times x, so negative 16x. Negative 16 times negative 6 is positive 96. Nasundan? So, ito na yung ating equation. Now, kunin natin yung kanyang general form. Okay? So, ilipat lang natin to dito sa ating left side ng equal. So, y squared minus 6y from negative 16x. Pag nilipat, magiging positive 16x. So, plus 16 from positive 96. Pag nilipat, magiging negative 96 is equal to 0. Then, yung ating constant number, which is 16 at saka 96, simplify natin. So, 16 minus 96 is negative 80. So, rewrite na natin. Y squared minus 8y plus 16x minus 80 is equal to 0. Ito na yung ating general equation. So, nasundan? Okay, so that's all for today.